Inna the moonlight, she walks so fine. Natural beauty, like she made from vine. Her locks them long, her heart them clean. Me call her empress, she me roots queen. Me sight her dancing to the bassline slow. Ganja smoke rise like a mystic glow. She say Rasta, come reason with me. Let's burn some herbs and then set the mind free. Me pass her the chalice, me heart skip beat. Her voice soft like rhythm in a summer heat. She says she love when dubba drop and consciousness rise. Never stop, we sip on coconut under the tree. She tap out Zion and just set we free. Me laugh and say me dream you long time. She smile is destiny, now we align. Dope feed the queen, me chant feel love. We flow together like wings of dove. In a ital fire, we purify soul. Heart to heart, no Babylon control. Dope feed the queen, me empress strong. In a this unity, we both belong. Through every echo, me feel you near like sweet Naya Bingi. So crystal natural with the earth in mind. Pure vibration in every grind. She said no need fee, diamond ring, just ganja drum and what life bring. When Babylon try, fi confuse we head, she hold me hand and chant songs instead. Me empress, no follow, no fashion hype. She blaze truth like Congo pipe. We chant rhythm deep in our hills, meditate long till the heartbeat stills. Stars a dancer, above we head, love in our we bed, truth a get spread. We plant seeds, we grow food, love with no pride, no attitude. And when rain fall on the zinc rooftop, we still a reason, nah ever stop. Dope feed the queen, we chant feel love. We float together like wings of dove. In a ital fire, we purify soul. Heart to heart, no Babylon control. Dope feed the queen, me empress strong. In a this unity, we both belong. Through every echo, me feel you near. Like sweet Naya Bingi, so crystal clear. Me bring her flowers from mountain high. She teach me how fi watch the sky. She teach me silence, talk more than word. Like a wind whisper, just like bird. Me empress glow in a natural way. She dance beer.
Na na na, me sip coconut and smoke ganja, yeah man. Me close me eyes and me hear the drum. A ancient call say me time a fi come. Me born far away but me spirit know. Mama Africa, me ready fi go. Me feel you in a the breeze in a sun so bright. You beating on me heart every day and night. Me roots they deep like baobab tree. Me soul say forward and me heart agree. The lion roar inside me mind. It tell me truth me need fi find. In a books, in a dreams, me see the land. Golden soil run through me hand. From Ethiopia to Ghana plain, me tears fall soft like African rain. Me not forget the blood, the pain, but now me chant joy again. Take me back, take me home to Mama Africa where me spirit roam. Inna the hills, under the sun, me know me journey have to be done. With roots and rhythm me feel complete. Barefoot on the African street. Take me back, let the music rise under the vast and ancient skies. Me see the youth them dance in a red earth clay. Me hear the elders reasoning about Rastafari way. Me sit with me drum, me sing with me soul. The people them vibrant, the culture bold. Me eat ital from calabash bowl. Me feel Jah fire start take control. The chant of freedom echoing breeze. Me soul find rest, me heart at ease. Me nah need the plane, me nah need the road. Jah guide me spirit, me drop the load. Every heartbeat is a step closer still to that sacred mountain, to that holy hill. The ancestors whisper in a me ear, you're never left, you're always here. Africa not just a place pan map, it's the rhythm inside every Rasta rap. Take me back, take me home to Mama Africa where me spirit roam. Inna the hills, under the sun, me know me journey have to be done. With roots and rhythm me feel complete. Barefoot on the African street. Take me back, let the music rise under the vast and ancient skies. Me light up chalice and a starry dome. Give thanks for the place, me call me home. Me sing to the moon, me talk to the tree. Me soul find unity, me finally free. In a market, Me hear sweet songs, drums and chants, we carry me long. Children laugh and elders pray. Africa live in a every reggae. So if you hear that call, don't hesitate. Open your heart and walk through the gate. The journey deep, but the blessing real. Africa heal what Babylon steal. Zion echoes, rise like a flame. From Berlin to Cape Coast, we call Jah name. Back to mama, where all life begin. Rasta anthem, rise again within.
Meditation deep in the jungle, yeah man.
Early morning light creep through me window. Birds are sing sweet hymns in the meadow. Me stretch me arms to the rising sun. Another day fi chant, another day begun. Me plant me foot on sacred earth. Me know Jah love from even birth. Me give thanks for the breeze and tree. Me give thanks for the life in me. Me light me chalice, me sip me tea. Me mind clear like Caribbean Sea. Me no run down hype nor goal. Me walk the path them ancient stole. One love still lives in each breath we take. Even in a system that try to fake. Roots still grow and heart still beat. Truth still walk down Zion Street. One love still lives through drum and bass. In a Rasta chant and Jah embrace. From Kingston town to Mount Zion Hill, the fire still burn and always will. Me remember me youth and them reggae nights. The rhythm anaconda full moonlight. Me father play vinyl and close him eye. Bob voice echo, no woman no cry. Me hold them words like sacred prayer. Them carry me soul through worldly fear. Me nah need fame nor diamond chain. Just a little spliff and roots again. Me walk the road with humble pride. Me link with nature, Jah by me side. From waterfall to highest pine, me feel the universe align. One love still lives like fire in a breeze. Blow through leaves and whisper peace. Me see it shine in every face. Me feel it deep in drumbeat bass. One love still lives, no system can kill. It rises in silence, strong and still. Me chant it loud, me sing it true. Me pass the flame from I to you. Imagine earth with no more war. Just sound systems under star. Elders tell story, youths them learn. Fire burn bright, but now fi burn. Me vision clear, a village wall, where man and woman live in soul. Me hear Naya Bingi in a breeze. Me see just smile between the trees. Me share me fruit, me share me bread. Me bless the table where all get fed. Me no judge man by rank or race. Me only look upon art and grace. So me chant rise up, oh children true. The world await the light in you. Smoke your herb, but open your mind. Look inside, your heart will find. One love still lives. Now me close me eye, me see the flame, it never die. It just change name, sometimes Bob, sometimes Jah. Sometimes me brethren from far, but always love. Deep and wide, it guide me steps, it walk beside. So if you're lost or full of fight, play this tune in the night and feel it rise. From soul to sky, cause one love still lives, it never die.
Oh yeah, yeah, can do this. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Deep in this faith, kaya man. When the sun dip low and
slow in a hammock swing. Me close me eye as cool breeze kiss. A night pass by, no noise a city, no light a screen, just crickets chanting in jungle green. Me fire ablaze, me mind at ease. Me chant a psalm, fi inner peace. The herb attack, the moon a guide. Me spirit walk, me soul no hide. Me heart beat slow, me thoughts align. In this midnight hour, me feel divine. Rasta moonlight, high in the sky. Bless up me head, me soul fly high. Smoke rise slow like holy prayer. Jah in the breeze, Jah everywhere. Under the stars, me chant me name. Me born again, me know the same. Me trod in silence, lover's guide. With ganja smoke and roots inside. Me sit on rock, beside the stream. Me listen deep, inside me dream. Me see me granny, me hear them wise. Them say you'd stay humble, watch the skies. Me draw one deep and close me eyes. And vision open like butterfly. Me see me journey, me know me place. Me carry forward with Jah grace. No goal me seek, no crown me chase. Me seek the rhythm, me live in pace. Each breath a blessing, each beat a truth. Me write me life from early youth. Rasta moonlight, heal me brain. Wash away the stress, wash away pain. Smoke rise gentle like breeze from sea. Me chant in peace, me chant for free. Lion heart inside me chest. Urban roots, me soul a trace. From coconut tree to mango shade. Me soul a dance in night parade. Me no need club, me no need light. Me have Jah vibes and stars so bright. Me sip me tea from calabash. Me soul feel clean, me worries crash. Me see lizard run, me hear the owl. Me chant me truth, me nah be foul. Me burn me herbs, not just for eye, but for link with Jah and touch the sky. Me no rich, but me full of wealth. Me carry light and natural health. Me plant me food, me walk me ground. Me hear Jah whisper all around. Fire flicker, rhythm beat. Me feel the earth beneath me feet. Me hear me ancestors them them tell me son, your time have come. So me rise and sway like bamboo tree. Me body move, me spirit free. Me nah rush life, me take it slow. Cause Rasta know where rivers flow. As night retreat and dawn arrive, me give thanks for being alive. Me herbs still burn, me voice still sing. Me soul still rise on Jah wing. Na 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 na. Kaya, a music, yeah man. Inna the heart of the concrete land, me wake to horns and Babylon's hand. But me light me spliff, me give me praise. Me chant for guidance through city maze. Me wear me dread like crown on head. Me trod through street where hope seemed dead. But me nah fear no evil vibe. Me bring Jah light where shadows hide. Me see them run, them chase the pay. Them lose them soul along the way. But me stay firm, me stand me ground. Me reggae beat still shake the town. Hell, green smoke rising high in the sky. Jah know me spirit, Jah hear me cry. From rooftop height, is subway line. Me chant for love, me chant for sign. Jah sitting no silent, but I find peace. In the rhythm, me trouble cease. With ganja fire and roots in chest, me meditate, me find me rest. Me reach me corner, me safe zone. Me sit on rooftop all alone. Me roll it clean, me roll it tight. One spark Zion star. Me think about life, me think about now. Our system try to make man bow, but me resist in gentle way. Me live ital, me smoke and pray. Green smoke rising high in the sky, while sirens wail and pigeons fly. Me hold me peace inside me lungs. Me sing me songs in ancient tongues. No preacher tell I what fi feel. Me herb a temple, me truth are real. Me no escape, me face me scene, but still me rise in smoke so green. Inna the chaos, me still hear drum. Me heart a bassline, me soul a strum. Me walk with staff through Market Street. Me greet them youth, me drop them beat. Them ask Rasta, how you cope? Me say me all faith, me burn me hope. Me herb is key, me chant is gate. Me vibe strong, me love no hate. The food me cook, it pure and true. Me drink me roots, me sip me brew. Me tell the youth, love yourself first. Babylon train you, fi feel cursed. When the moon rise over tower light, me feel Jah presence hold me tight. No need for mansion, me have stars. Me roll one more beneath the cars. Each puff a prayer, each draw a song. Me hold this liberty firm and strong. Me nah compete, me nah pretend. Me know Jah walk with I till end. So if you lost in steel and stone, just light one up and trod alone. Listen for rhythm and traffic beat. Let the fire guide your feet. Zion echoes in the smoke we send. Truth arise and pain amend. Me sip tea prayer, me herbal limb. Me journey start from deep within.
Na Kingston haze in a me pocket, yeah man. Me sit on the rock, feel the earth below. Heartbeat rhythm from long time ago. Me close me eyes, chanting a trance. Hear the drum of ancestors dance. Them whisper truth in a breeze so fine. Them guide me soul beyond the time. Me nah watch clock, me nah chase fame. Me walk with spirits, them call me name. Me bones remember Africa's style. Me soul ignite like ancient isle. Me light the chalice, give thanks for breath. Me chant Jah name till me meet death.
Dub of the ancients rise in a smoke. Rhythm so deep it break the oak. Echoes of Zion, wisdom wide. Me try this path, me nah go high.
Every bassline is a prayer.
Every echo say Jah is near.
Every bassline is a prayer.
Every echo say Jah is near.
Thunder drum beat pan midnight sky. Lightning flash when me spirit fly. Me walk in vision, me see the past. Me know that truth will always last. From Nile to Kingston, from roots to sky. Me sing for the ones who na ask why. Me step through realm where words can't reach. Me chant through sound, me soul fi teach. Me nah need crown, me nah need stage. Me dub a temple, me mic a sage. Me reach that state where Babylon fear. A peaceful mind so crystal clear. Me burn herb on the sacred fire. Me chant till me soul rise higher. Me link with drum, me chant with breeze. Me
walk with trees, me sit at tea.
Every note I spell, every skunk a sign. Me feel Jah breath between each line. Me no perform, me transform. Me dubby star, me heart is warm.
Dub of the ancients' holy song. Shake the ground and spin it round. Me voice a river, me word a sea. Me planting a heart where people need.
Dub come deep like morning mist.
Heal your mind and clench your fist.
Dub come deep like morning mist.
Heal your mind and clench your fist.
Me record rhythm pan stone and air. It echo in cave, it dwell in prayer. Me nah use auto, me use soul. Me chant for youth, for Jah control. Me eye red but me sight divine. Me smoke for Jah, me drink no wine. Me whole vibration, me hold the ground. Me spread truth through dope white sound. Me hear the cry of Africa's womb. Me chant to clear the fear and gloom. Me no forget the elders fight. Me carry torch, me burn the night.
Me dub a spaceship, me mic a drum. Me ride the rhythm till kingdom come. Me sing not just fi entertain. Me chant fi purge your soul from pain.
Me fade and echo, me voice still stay. Me ancient song can't wash away.
Nah, ganja inna the chalice, yeah, man.
Me rise up early in a golden light. No noise, no stress, just mountain sight. Me step outside with me chalice cup. Me inhale deep, just spirit wake me up. Me eyes have closed, me soul open wide. As nature chant, me heart a glide. No words needed in a this hour. Just wine bird song and ganja power. No shoes pan feet, me grounding real. Me sit pan stone, me start to feel the herbs guide me mind to peace, and all the worldly worries cease. Smoke and silence, no complication. Just me and Jah in a meditation. Me burn belief, me breathing deep. Me rise above, me no lose sleep. I great meditation, me daily bread. Me no follow crowd, me spirit led. Me reason with trees, me listen the wind. Me chant for love and cleanse me sin. Me no need cathedral, no need gold. Me temple are within, me soul unfold. Each puff a prayer, each cloud a sign. Me float in rhythm, me feel divine. Ganja heal, me mind and skin. It open gates, feel look within. Me hear me ancestors, them whisper low. Keep it humble and let Jah grow. Me see me future in a smoke design. A clear path, all sacred, all aligned. Me no rush life, me take me pace. Me walk in truth, me walk in grace. Smoke and silence, no complication. Just me and Jah in a meditation. Me burn belief, me breathing deep. Me rise above, me no lose sleep. I grade me
meditation, fire a burn, fi in a balance, me daily turn. Me chant for joy, me chant for right, me hold Jah light in darkest night. Me wake, me farm, me chant, me eat, me live slow life, me stay complete. Me not envy Babylon bling, me happy with me drum and the song me sing. Me cook Ital, me sip on roots, me chant psalms and the star fruit shoots. Me reason with elders, me guide the youth. Me pass on wisdom, me live me truth. Me no wear crown, but me feel royal. Each day a gift, each breath vital. Me wear dreadlocks, me wear peace. Me walk Jah road until release. Me see this world full of stress, but Rasta Way bring happiness. Me herb sacred, me pot clear, Jah presence strong, Jah voice near. So light it up and sit still. Let Jah take you up the hill. Let go worry, let go fight. Come all a meditation light. Smoke, silence and a beat.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke ganja, meditate, barefoot, ya man.
Me rise in the morning with sun in a eye, herb in a hand, me chant to the sky. Birds are sing like Naya Bingy drum. Me give thanks and me life just come. Nature surround, me heart feel calm. Me steps in a earth, me soul feel warm. Me nah need gold, me nah need fame. Jah name alone bring the highest flame. Me trod the path where me ancestors trod. Barefoot pon the soil, me reasoning with God. Ital stew bubbling, fire ablaze. Me give thanks for the simplest days. Me dreadlocks long like stories told. Each strand carry spirit wisdom all. Me nah look back, me nah regret. The future bright for the ones who reflect. Rasta Way, we walk with the light. Smoke rise high in a starry night. Meditate deep, feel Jah voice. In a every moment we make a choice to live in love and burn illusion, to free the mind from mental confusion. Rasta Way, it no easy path, but love at the fire and truth at the craft. Me see Babylon light, but me nah get blind. Me see the trap, but me free me mind. Me step out in the hills, away from noise, where silence sing and the heart rejoice. Me chant psalms pon the rocks so high. Me soul connect to Jah up in the sky. With me chalice and drum, me reason true. Me talk to the stars like me brethren too. Me light up the pipe with holy herb. Me sing for the trees, me chant every word. Earth a me temple, sky a me dome. Me nah need city, this a me home. Me see the youths them lost in a screen, but me guide them back to the roots and sin. Me tell them pick up the drum, pick up the book. Don't follow hype, don't follow the crook. Rasta Way, we walk with the light. Smoke rise high in a starry night. Meditate deep, feel Jah voice. In a every moment we make a choice to live in love and burn illusion, to free the mind from mental confusion. Rasta Way, it no easy path, but love at the fire and truth at the craft. Me sip coconut under moonlight beam. Me vision clean like prophecy dream. No stressing on me vibe, me chant and glide. Jah presence ever stand by me side. Me sit by the river, me heart just float. Me soul a sing like a healing note. Me nah race, me nah chase the game. Me just want people to call Jah name. So if you lost, come trod this way. Let the smoke rise and the trouble sway. In a each draw find a deeper peace. In a each chant let worry cease. Rasta Way, it humble and wise. It teach you fi see with the inner eyes. So come along pan this mystic flight. Zion echoes blaze up the light.
No, 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 Jah bless the people, yeah, man. Me wake with sun pon me face, chalice ready in sacred place. Roots man heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light it and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call Jah name. Me no smoke fi run away. Me smoke fi clear me inner way. Earth provide this plant of peace, a sacrament will never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This method cherish and set I free. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Teach the soul and make it learn. In a this smoke, me vision clear. Jah whisper truth, me love fear. Burn it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide the Rasta tribe. Me sit pan hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light. This a roots man, higher flight. Me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky. Me meditate and feel Janike. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland, the sacred herb come from Jahan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame, but still the fire remain the same.
Inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb and Jiga.
Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought. Every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speak in holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth will never end. Me no flex pan screen or stage. Me flex with roots man ancient rage. Me garden full, me hand them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant and let in a ya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow. It teach me where me heart must go. Me reason deep with lion them. Me chant and chant again and again.
So when you see the smoke rise high, know say Jah dwell up in the sky. Mystic herb, me sacred flame. Me burn it proud, call Jah name.
It not fi hype, not fi shame. Me burn it fi love, not fi fame. Inna the rhythm, me so rejoice. Ganja lift up me inner voice. Ay, ay, ay. Ganja, ganja is the life, yeah, man. From the hills of Zion, it grows so wild, like wisdom whispered from Jah to the child. Me cut it fresh, still dripping dew. Sacred herb, Me know you're true. Me light this spliff with holy flame. Me not just smoke, me call your name. Jah plant it fi we, not fi them lab. Me burn it clean, me nah need tab. Each puff a prayer, each drag a psalm. Me soul get still, me mind get calm. The smoke rise up, me spirit ascend. Me reason deep with Jah as my friend. This is me ganja psalms, me sacred song. Me chant it loud all the day long. Me no hide, me nah feel shame. Me light this fire in Jah name. Ganja psalms, let it roll. Heal me heart, uplift me soul. Babylon try but them can't ban. This herb belong to Jah, not man. Them call it illegal, them try for shame. But this herb grow before them name, before the books, before the law. Herb a grow me ancestors saw in Ethiopia or Westmoreland. It rise from the roots of Jah and Ital smoke in a clear chalice. Me sit in silence, me find me bliss. Me no promote for every man, but who know truth, them overstand. It open portals in the mind, reveal the things Babylon hide. Me see through veil, me sight get clear. Me reason with angels, them draw near. This ain't no joke, no party puff. This is spiritual, deep and rough. Me chant in a grove where the wind a blow. Me feel earth pulse, me feel Jah flow. Them can't touch me in a space. Me soul shielded by Jah grace. This is me ganja psalms, me sacred sound. Me float like leaf, me not touch ground. Me blaze in peace, me chanting calm. Me link with Jah through ganja psalm. Me burn the fear, me rise above. Me full me lungs with sacred love. Me nah fi hide, me nah fi run. The herb and I, we move as one. Early morning sun a shine, me roll a split free a line. Me sit me roots, me stretch me limb, me chant a hymn, me mind no dim. Me teach the youth, show them path, me tell them truth, me speak fi art. Me show them say use herb wise, not fi escape but fi realize. Ganja is key, not toy in our game, not just high but higher aim. Meditation deep like sea, unlock soul and set it free. Ganja flame, me light with pride, me walk in truth, me nah go hide. Me live this way, cause me born this way. Me herb, me Bible, me smoke and pray. Jah bless me cup and fill me bowl. Let the herb uplift me soul. Me burn this fire in your name. Me sing me ganja psalm again. Ayo, Kingston, skunk, smoke, yeah man. Me wake up on me earth, strong day. Me give thanks for Jah, me kneel and pray. No gift me want, no bling, no ring. Just a little piece, let the forest sing. Me bird now come from system light. Me born of sun, sea and the sky. Me mama strong, me papa wise. Me stand on roots, me never disguise. Me roll the herb with reverence. Me chant me soul, me find me sense. From me lungs to me medulla, it rise up truth, me feel it fuller. Earth strong warrior rise today. Burn them chains and walk Jah way. Smoke the herb and chant the fire. Meditate and climb up higher. Rastaman, again from pain. Me heal through rhythm, roots and rain. Celebrate life with every drop. Me live in love, me follow Jah law. Me nah born fi concrete street. Me come from hills when yam real sweet. Me granny teach me bush and bark. Me learn fi glow in light and dark. Each year me rise, me grow, me dread. Each season pass, me nah lose head. The fire inna me, not from reach, but from the wisdom of the sage. Me honor the drum, me honor the soil, me honor the hands that sweat and tile. Me drink me tea, me sit and pause, me chant the psalms, me praise Jah laws. Smoke rise up like incense burn. For every lesson, me still must learn. Me inhale love, exhale fear. Me vision bright, me heart sincere. Me surround myself with warrior crew. Each one hold firm, each one true. We nah need gold, nor gun, nor gate. We hold Jah love, and that feel great. Earth strong warrior, blaze it bold. Me story deep, me spirit old. Inna me circle, me herb ignite. Me rise like lion, full of light. Me nah bow down to Babylon plan. Me walk proud like ancient man. Me step with purpose, step with soul. Me journey long, but me heart whole. Ganja me gift, me sacrament. Me burn it clean, no false intent. Me offer it up to Jah throne. Me soul on the smoke, alone, alone. Me drift to space, me meet me guide. Me ancestors stand by me side. Them whisper say, you strong, you true. Me see Jah light shine bright in you. Me rest in grass, me hear the breeze. Me soul at peace, me mind at ease. This ain't just herb, this holy vine. Fi heal the body and soul combined. So light the fire, warrior true. This earth strong chant, me share with you. From hills to valleys, spread it wide. Let Rasta rise and Babylon slide. Oh, happy earth strong to the soul within. Celebrate love, let the life begin. One more turn pan Jah wheel. Me chant, me smoke, me rise, me heal. Huh.
Na 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 na.
Rastaman smoke a Shiley man. Me step light on the road so cold. In the mist, me story unfold. Me wear no crown, but me heart is bold. Me chant truths that Babylon sold. Me face hidden, but me soul shine bright. Me trod slow through the darkest night. No need for rage, no need for war. Me power is silence, me vision is far. In the shadows, me remain still. Listening to Jah, bending me will. Them can't see me, them can't trap. Me leave no trail, me set no map. Me a lion in the mist. Walking quiet, but me fist resist. Me no roar unless me must. Me voice come clean like ancient dust. Me no fight with teeth, me fight with light. In the mist, me hold me might. Me third eye open wide like moon. Me learn Jah timing, na move too soon. Me see deception, me feel the fear. But me walk with no worry near. Me herb bun sacred fi guide me pace. Me meditate in a sacred space. Me reason deep with stars above. Me hold the vibes, me spread the love. Them look for me in a obvious place, but me trod deep part in a Zion grace. Me no play game, me no play man. Me live for roots, me live for plan. Me silent like sunrise over sea. Me strong like drum, steady and free. Them think me soft, them think me gone, but me still stand long after storm. Me chant low under mystic moon. Me sing for the ones who rise up soon. Me no boast, me no show the flame, but me fire deep, and it can't tame me. A lion in the smoke, speaking riddle, never joke. Me teach with rhythm, heal with sound. Me walk in silence, stand me ground. Me no need crowd, fi know me gift. Me rise and shine through Babylon drift. Me hear me elders in the breeze. Them whisper code through roots of trees. Them say lion no lose your calm. Your roar is the storm before the balm. Me light up chalice, me give Jah praise. Me mind elevate in holy blaze. Me remember all the fight them fought. Me carry it now in me thought. This is for every youth in the yard. Hold Me speaking metaphor, moving grace. Leave Babylon without trace. Na na na, Rastaman is so high. Me rise early, sunrise aglow. Steam chalice bubble make spirit flow. Me give thanks for the breath me draw. Me chant psalms like ancient law. Birds a sing in a harmony sweet. Me walk barefoot on red dirt street. Me pick me greens from the hilltop side. Ital Vibration, me guide and pride. Me no in a rush, me no stress time. Me trudge apart like ancient sign. Every breath a blessing, every step divine. Me live with purpose, me reason fine. Ital Vibration, rising on me soul. Me nah bow for silver, me nah chase gold. Pure meditation, roots control. Me chant down fear, me smoke fi console. Ital Vibration, run through me vein. Wash me clean like natural rain. Me nah follow trend, me no play a game. Me chant your name and burn them shame. Me cook me stew pan firewood flame. Me feed me youth and give your name. Me build from love, me live from earth. Me know me value, me know me worth. Na na na, Rastaman is so high. Me rise early, sunrise aglow. Steam chalice bubble make spirit flow. Me give thanks for the breath me draw. Me chant psalms like ancient law. Birds a sing in a harmony sweet. Me walk barefoot on red dirt street. Me pick me greens from the hilltop side. Ital Vibration, me guide and pride. Me no in a rush, me no stress time. Me trudge apart like ancient sign. Every breath a blessing, every step divine. Me live with purpose, me reason fine. Ital Vibration, rising on me soul. Me nah bow for silver, me nah chase gold. Pure meditation, roots control. Me chant down fear, me smoke fi console. Ital Vibration, run through me vein. Wash me clean like natural rain. Me nah follow trend, me no play a game. Me chant your name and burn them shame. Me cook me stew pan firewood flame. Me feed me youth and give your name. Me build from love, me live from earth. Me know me value, me know me worth. Me no envy who a flash champagne. Me sip coconut under the rain. Me reason with elders both overstanding. Me ground myself while Babylon crash landing. Me plant me food and me harvest joy. Me teach me youth them not destroy. Me smoke me weed for clarity mind. Me burn illusion, me seek and find. Ital is vital, no doubt about that. Me not touch poison from them pot. Me grow me own, me reap me meal. Me live so clean, me spirit heal. Me no need million fi feel success. Me need the rhythm fi ease the stress. Me not in a war, me dey in a peace. Me burn Babylon from west to east. Me trod in a silence, me step is loud. Me soul chant louder than the crowd. Me link up nature, me full me cup. Me give Jah thanks when sun come up. Ital Vibration, higher than plane. Me ride rhythm like lion mane. Ganja meditation ease the strain. Me chant in a thunder, me sing in a rain. Ital Vibration, me armor strong. Me walk through fire with sacred song. No man can stop when truth belong. Me live this liberty all lifelong. Me wrap me turban, me lock me ear. Me praise Jah Jah everywhere. Me live for Zion, me chant for light. Me blaze me herbs in a full moon night. Me honor me queen, me protect me king. Rasta vibe, me build foundation, me build the tribe. Me no sell out, fi no quick gain. Me hold the line like lion chain. Ital food pan plate, meditation elevate. No beef, no hate, me chant love before it's late. Rasta liberty me live true, me born lies me subdue. In a hills or city view, me Ital life always shine through.
Na na na, Jah bless the people, ganja. Forever your man. Me hear the drum, me feel the vibe. In the hills where warriors tribe. Circle gather round, sacred fire. Smoke rise high like soul's desire. Me elders say, come you take seat. Feel the ground beneath your feet. This ain't just spliff, it's sacrament. This ain't no high, it's heaven sent. Me close me eyes, me spirit soar. Me see me ancestors open door. Them chant and dance in timeless grace. In a bingy smoke, me find me place. Now ya bingy smoke circle, blaze and rise. Rasta soul fly to the skies. One draw, one beat, one holy chant. Love and unity, all we want. Circle full of truth and flame. We burn Babylon, but not with shame. Jah guide we step, Jah hold the space. Smoke of wisdom filled with grace. Me nah need palace, me nah need crown. Me need one rhythm fi hold me down. Me need me crew, me need me herb. Me need some space fi bend Jah word inna the circle. Me release pain, me tears drop on the mountain plain. But me brethren hold me, me nah fall. Them say rise up youth, stand tall. Drum beat deep like out of the earth. Each rhythm a echo of rebirth. Me chant down fear, me chant up peace. In the smoke, me find release. Drum beat talk, fire spark. Wolf now howl when lion bark. We not just smoke, we elevate. We vibrate high, we shift the state. The herbs connect with to your mind. Reveal the truth, them try hide behind. Meditation not just sit, it's fire chant. It's soul coming, and a bingy smoke circle. Pure and wise, truth in a rhythm, not disguise. We inhale light, exhale stress. We bless the earth, and earth bless. One drum, one draw, one sound unite. We burn in darkness, still shine bright. Gather the brethren, gather the queen. Let the smoke wash we spirit clean. Me float like feather, light and free. Me see the river, run to sea. Me spirit travel back in time to pyramids, an ancient sign. Me see Marcus pan the lion throne. Me see Bob singing with tone unknown. Me see the youth rise from despair. Me see the people start to care. Circle now break, we keep it round. Each puff of smoke, a sacred sound. Me nah lose self in Babylon's race. Me find me roots, me find me grace. Pass the chalice, pass the flame. We not smoke fi fortune or fame. We smoke fi connect, fi share, fi heal. Fi turn illusion into real. So next time you feel alone and small, find the drum, answer the call. Circle calling, come take seat.
Aye, 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 aye. Rasta brother is so high, barefoot on the mountain road. Me carry no weight, me drop that load. Me heart clean, me mind so still. Me walk to Zion by Jah will. Me drum a beat from deep inside. Me chant fi make Me spirit guide, each step a prayer, each breath a song. Me know Jah presence all along. Me burn a spliff, fi clear the way. No worry reach me on this day. Me nah rush, me take it slow. Rasta move with the river flow. Rasta chant on holy land, with staff and herb in a hand. Earth a speak and sky reply. We trod until we reach the high. Oh chant, oh chant, let Jah spirit plant. Me meet a elder on the trail. Him eye them deep like mystic tale. Him say, youth, keep your fire bright. No darkness can out Jah light. Me sight a lion in a grass. It not like it, know me path. Me nah fear no beast or sound. Me walk on sacred ancient ground. Smoke rise from me chillum cup. Wisdom rise, me soul erupt. Me not trod alone, me trod with voice. Each leaf a lesson, each step a choice. Under the tree me sit and chant. River run cool and gallant. Meditation pon the rock. Hear the ticking of Jah clock. The herb whisper like mountain breeze. The forest dance in silent peace. Me higher self come out to play. Me reason with Jah every day. Rasta chant fi cleanse the soul. Each vibration make me whole. No palace, me nah need throne. Jah kingdom live in flesh and bone. Oh chant, oh chant, let the fire plant. When the sun sink low on the hills, me light me fire, burn me chills. Stars align like ancient scroll. Jah message deep, me hear it whole. Me no use phone, me use moonlight. Me read the sky in Jah own right. Me cook ital, me eat slow. The roots man wisdom always grow. Me rest me head on earth in bed. The forest sing, me nah feel dread. Me journey long but spirit high. Me trod till Zion fill the sky. So if you hear me from afar, me voice a light, me word a star. Me nah preach, me just reveal the power of love your heart can feel. Rasta chant not just a song, it a way fi live strong. Smoke the herb, beat the drum, meditate till kingdom come.
Na na na, kaya smoke ya man. Rise up, sun pon the mountain top. First light kiss, me dreadlock drop. Birds them sing like them know the way. New day dawn and me give Jah praise. Me wash me face with the cool stream flow. Blessings come from roots me know. No worry about stress or the Babylon mess. Me puff a little herb, me release the press. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing. Me walk barefoot pon the red earth clay. Me reason with I self through Jah way. The mango ripe, the breeze so sweet. Me chant one psalm with an higher bingy beat. Me nah follow no clock or time. Me follow the stars and the ancient sign. Every inhale a holy rite. Me mind levitate in the morning light. One drop rhythm for me soul again. Me nah fight like rest from system chain. Me live free like lion in a plane. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes on the earth revealing. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes on the earth revealing. Me sit on that tree like the prophet of old. Me close me eye and the silence bold. Breathe in Jah love, exhale the fear. Me inner voice speak, me mind get clear. Me sight the beauty in every sound. From crickets to leaves, them touch the ground. Each moment sacred, each step a prayer. Rasta walk with love everywhere. So blaze up the morning with peace and light. One spliff, one chant, and all feel right. Give thanks for life, give thanks for time. Me soul in tune with Jah design. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes on the earth revealing. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes on the earth revealing.
No, no, no. Rastaman. Roll the mango kush. Yeah, man.
Me rise before the cockroach sound. Me feet touch earth, me spirit unbound. The morning mist kiss up me skin. Me give thanks, me praise fi begin. Me sip Ital tea, me burn the herb. Me chant a psalms, me speak Jah word. No sugar, no meat, just fruits and green. Me life so clean, me soul so serene. Ital living, roots and culture. Heart clean, no vulture. Smoke, rise up to the sky. We give thanks, I and I. Me plant the seed, me watch it grow. Me talk to trees, me let them know. Them give me shade, them give me ear. In every leaf, Jah presence there. Me cook on fire, coconut oil. Me food no poison, me soil no spoil. Me sing while me grind the ganja leaf. Each breath me take, me soul find relief. Ital is the way of light. Jah guide me steps by day and night. No need no riches, no need no fame. Just love and truth in Jah holy name. Ital living, roots and culture. Heart clean, no vulture. Smoke, rise up to the sky. We give thanks, I and I. Me meditate under the bamboo tree. Me mind feel light, me soul feel free. Lion of Judah, guard me gate. Me now walk fast, me elevate. Me listen to wind, me listen to bird. Each one chant a sacred word. Me nah need much, me carry peace. Me stress release, me joy increase. Me sit on hilltop with staff in hand. Oversee life, me overstand. Ital ways keep me spirit strong. Me know who I am, me know where I belong. Ital living, roots and culture. Heart clean, no vulture. Smoke, rise up to the sky. We give thanks, I and I. Ital is the key, simplicity the door. Rasta don't rush, we chant more.